In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark to your photos using Canva. Whether you're a photographer wanting to protect your images or a business owner looking to brand your visuals, adding a watermark can be a crucial step. Let's dive right in and get started with the process. First, you'll want to open your Canva project. You can do this by navigating to the Canva website and selecting the project you want to work on. Once your project is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. On the left-hand side, you'll see a variety of options, but for now, focus on finding the text option. This is where we'll begin creating our watermark. Once you've clicked on the text option, you'll see several choices, including adding headings, subheadings, or body text. For our purposes, click on Add a Heading. This will insert a text box onto your canvas where you can type in your watermark. Consider what you'd like your watermark to say. It could be your name, your brand's name, or a simple logo. Type it into the text box and position it where you'd like it to appear on your image. Now that you have your text in place, it's time to ensure it blends seamlessly with your photo. Head up to the upper menu where you'll find the transparency option. Click on it and you'll be presented with a slider. Adjust this slider to reduce the opacity of your text. This step is crucial because you want your watermark to be visible yet subtle enough not to distract from the image itself. A good rule of thumb is to aim for a transparency level that allows the watermark to be noticeable but not overpowering. With your watermark text positioned and its transparency adjusted, take a step back and review your work. Ensure that the watermark is appropriately placed, not obscuring any important parts of your image, and adjust as needed. You might want to experiment with different fonts and colors to see what complements your photo best. Canva offers a wide range of options, so feel free to get creative here. Once you're satisfied with how your watermark looks, you can save your project. Simply click the download button at the top right of the screen and choose your preferred file format. And just like that, you've successfully added a watermark to your photo using Canva. This simple yet effective method helps protect your images and maintain your brand's identity. Keep practicing, and soon adding watermarks will become second nature. Thanks for watching and happy designing.